I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove connections, a term for friends, on Roblox. Step 1. Open the Roblox app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device and then tap More in the menu. The More menu is displayed. Step 2. Tap Connections. The next screen shows you a list of your Roblox friends. Step 3. Tap the specific friend that you want to remove. A menu with options for that specific friend opens. Step 4. Tap the ellipses in that menu, and then tap Remove Connection. That specific Roblox connection or friend will be removed immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.